You did crazy, oh, you ain't on a payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on a payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite.
Hey yo, T-Beats, you killed this one, no cap.
Ice cubes up in my car. If it's spice, one pour it out.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John here. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create support and resistance on a daily time frame, and then I'm going to give you a little brief understanding of how you can gain entries on lower time frames. I'll go into the 4 hour just to give an example of it, and I'll go over into the 1 hour chart. So I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I'm going to be giving out a lot of good basic content which is going to be able to help people get into the trading market. So don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon for the notifications. And on that note, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so right now I am on my chart. I am on GBP JPY. This is the daily time frame. I'm just using the brokeragecapital.com, and what I'm going to be doing now is just showing you how you can draw your support and resistance on a daily time frame. This is going to be able to help you out quite a lot. So you're going to be able to figure out where there are key levels in the market, what people like to call support and resistance. We're going to look for the start of the year. The reason being is that a lot of people are wondering, where do I draw my support and resistance from? Do I start from, the beginning of the chart? Do I start from here, there, etc.? Well, I would tell people the best thing to do is go to the beginning of any year you have been trading from. That's the best thing. So I'll just press Alt and V, and there we go. You can see I've just got a vertical black line that's gone through my chart, and now I've got all of this real estate here to see where the chart has moved to, and now all I have to look for is key levels. So for me to find key levels in the market is any place where the market has gone towards, stopped, and pulled back. Gone towards, stopped, and then pulled back again. Gone towards, stopped, pulled back. So all of these levels here, as you can see, are levels I'm going to start to use as my support and resistance levels. They're also mentioned as key levels, as some people would call them. So now what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to just go over to here with my horizontal tool, or I can press Alt and H, and on those levels, I'm just going to start to draw my support and resistance, just like this. And there you go. It's really as simple as that. Now, why it's more simple is because I'm not using a lower time frame. I'm using the daily time frame, as you can see over here, to draw my support and resistance, which helps me a lot. So now this gives me a massive big picture, and what it does, it tells me strong key levels in the market, and that's from a daily perspective. There's going to be weekly and monthly, which is even stronger, but daily is pretty good. It will give you some good rejections and for you to be able to find some trades. So we can see from this whole perspective here. Now the next thing I will do is to be looking at how can I find a trade setup. So let's pay attention to what's just happened recently. Let's not go too far back. The price has gone up to here on a daily chart, so it went here. It only gave us one rejection here, so that wasn't strong enough because we need to see multiple rejections for us to say we can take a trade. Something like this. Look, multiple rejections from here, and you can see that this was a nice sell trade. So now what we're looking for is we were looking for multiple rejections of this area. So we can see price went up here once, couldn't break it. Price went up here twice, couldn't break it. Price went up here 3 times, even rejected this time, and that was telling you could possibly get in for a sell. But if we go down the time frame, it looks better for us. So we go down to a 4 hour time frame, and now we can start to see more rejections to this area. Look what's happening here. Now it might still not look obvious to you, and this is something I explain in my Ultimate Beginner's Guide course, which we'll see just over here on the top right hand side. I'll post a link to that, so you can see right here that we can see a few rejections on a 4 hour chart, which is a lot more clear than a 1 hour. But remember, we use the daily to find this level first before. We didn't start on the 4 hour or lower, we used the daily chart. So now what I'm going to do is go down to my 1 hour chart. You'll see that I have my indicator on, which is FXN week and day separator. This gives me the yellow lines here and the blue lines in between, which shows me all the days, and then the yellow lines are the weeks, so they're the week separators. And we can see right here that what happened, exactly how I explained in my ultimate guides video, this is what they call a double top. So when the market goes to an area once and then goes to that area again, there's a good chance that the market might reverse from that level. But remember, we are not looking on lower time frames for this to happen. It can happen on lower time frames and do the same pattern. We're looking from a daily perspective. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to get 1,000 pips on these trades. No, but you might be able to get 50 pip trades, and you might have to wait couple days, week, or whatever for these trades to occur. But it could happen where you just have a better chance of the market reversing from a level. So we can see here 1 tap, 2 taps. This is an M pattern formation. If you see here, this is 1 leg, this is the middle part of the M right here, and then here's the second part. Right from here is the second leg of the M going down. That's why it's the double tap and the M pattern formation. And then you would have been able to get in on this trade. Now, I do not want people thinking that every single time price just gets to one of these daily support and resistance levels, you can just take a trade from there. No, because this would have been a big mistake on a level like here. This is an example. So we can see right here, the market went to this level and rejected and sold. Great. But then the market got to this level again, kind of gave a bit of rejections here, and people might have wanted to enter for the sell, but this time they forced price up to, of course, create a massive buy trend. So if you tried to get in here, you would have been in a big problem, because look how much drawdown you would have had to hold now. It most likely would have stopped you out. So don't think that you can just get to these levels and then just take buys and sells off of them straight away. No, you have to still wait, look for the market to be in a certain position and other confluences. If you'd like to learn more about these confluences, by all means, you can get into my mentorship program. You just have to click the link below, which will get you into my Discord. It's in the YouTube description, not the comments. And it will get you into my Discord. You can direct message me and we can speak about how you can get into my mentorship program. Now you can see that you won't just get into this trade here for no reason, because it might break and buy. Not every single trade will do that, as you can see here and here. So to be fair, if you did enter this one, you would have won the trade. If you entered here, you would have won, but this one you would have lost. If you had good risk to reward, then it doesn't matter, because you would have won 2 trades, lost 1, won another trade up here, and then maybe the next one you could have lost. So that was 3 wins, 2 losses, or 3 wins, 1 loss. So it happens like that. So if you're willing to be patient, not over leverage your account, have your psychology in check, then this alone would be a good trading strategy for you. But you'd have to be patient, and you'd be looking to make money off of Forex in the long term, not the short term. A lot of traders want to come and scout because they want short term quick profits. They want profits to be able to make 500 a day, 1,000 a day, whatever it might be. But if you are a very patient trader, it's a very simple no indicator type trading strategy where you could literally just look at this, you lost this trade, you won this trade, but you might have had to wait 6 weeks to win 3 trades or 7 weeks to win 3 trades. That's how it goes. But there are actual people out there that are that type of patient trader. So when we go back to the daily time frame, so what you want to do, you want to draw your yearly line on the daily chart. You want to look at all the key levels on the daily chart, yeah, which is all these levels here. You want to draw your support and resistance lines, which is the black lines here. These are the horizontal lines, as you can see. And then you want to use the lower time frames for market structure patterns, such as double/triple tops and bottoms. Those are market pattern structures. Like here, you can see this is a double bottom, then it brought up. So you want to be looking at all of those types of things. So on that note, guys and girls, I'm going to leave it here. Like I said, it's a very basic, simple video. I don't want it to be too much and too complex. If you'd like to get into my mentorship program, like I said before, please hit me up in my Discord, direct message me, get you into there. You know, it's very competitive rates. If you would also like to get Neo the indicator that can help you with entries into these types of trades as well, please let me know. Just hit me up in Discord or Telegram. All of the information is in the YouTube description below. And if you'd like to get coins, which helps you towards your monthly payments on your TradingView, again, the link is below. And on that note, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, because you know I'll be giving out the source. Even though it's basic information, still takes time to do and to give out, and it's still part of the Forex source. So let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys and girls. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out.